This is a female Rufous-tailed hummingbird, hard at work. She built that nest all by herself, using balsa seed fiber and spider webs for strength, and that green moss and lichens provide the perfect camouflage. She normally feeds on flowers, using her long straw-like tongue to pump the nectar from the tropical flowers as she pollinates. However, female Rufous-tailed hummingbirds are solely responsible for feeding and protecting their young. While feeding chicks, her diet will change to consist of mainly insects, which she catches on the fly, a behavior known as hawking, or picked from spider webs that she tends to in her territory. She will frantically gather around 2,000 insects per day while feeding her chicks. These hummingbirds are likely the most aggressive species found in the neotropics. While females tend to the young, males pugnaciously defend her feeding territory with the precision and persistence of a fighter pilot. Every 30 minutes, after a strenuous hunt, she returns to feed her chicks regurgitated insects. To ensure the young get everything they need, she uses her long, specialized bill to push the high-protein food directly into the chicks' stomachs. Little bitty things sure grow fast. These chicks will be brooded for a couple of weeks and will fledge the nest when they're only around 3 to 4 weeks old. And from there, it's off into the high-octane world of nectar seekers. Well, thank you, Mom, for all the years and for all you've done. Happy Mother's Day. As always, thank you for your support. And remember, by watching and subscribing, you are helping with our mission to protect critical wildlife habitat in Bocas del Toro, Panama. Keep watching.